Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Bojangles Chicken Supreme Spicy Chicken Tender gets a 5 all day. With the bowl sauce, bumps it up to a 10, a straight 10. The sauce is a 5-piece. That is, whoa, that's good. Now, this rice looks crazily seasoned. This rice looks like it has everything going on that's gonna really take you there, and it's going to bring fireworks to your taste buds. I need that. I need that right now. Yeah. You know what the dirty rice tastes like? I want you to take some regular brown rice, right? Dump it up off into gravy and beef stock. Well seasoned. And then, you know how you have the ladle that has all the holes in it so it becomes like a strainer? You scoop your rice up so all the juices drip up off and back into the pot. And now hit the rice after it was sitting there for a minute. That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting on this rice, B.
One bite.
From one bite. Jeez. Now we're going up for 2. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is when you saw my main man Noah tear apart. He beat his mashed potato and gravy down. Looked at me and rolled his eyes and said, I ain't never had mashed potato until I had it like this. I'm like, no, what the hell are you talking about? Okay, I mean, it looks soft, it looks mashed up real right, huh? Oh, like that.
Gravy based.
Oh, like that. That's light. That mashed tater is light. That mashed tater been whooped. I'm talking about old school, you got yourself in trouble, 1987, get home, mama and daddy in, they both waiting with you, with the belt piece and everything type whoop. This tater been whooped up. The gravy ain't even heavy like that, family. It's almost as light as the tater is. But yet you got so much flavor. Buttery mashed potato, and then you got savory gravy. That is just an evil combination. That's an evil combination. Fat gang in the building, yo. Fat gang in the building. Y'all said, dang, you played yourself because you never got boat rounds. And I'm like, what's so special about boat rounds? First off, I can show you better than I can tell you. Look at these things. All this is fried up potato, but they're pretty big. Little $half size boat rounds with wild thickness. The type of thickness that you would get off of a fried up, twice baked potato that's been smashed down. This is like a corner of it. Let's see if it's any good. You know what? Okay, hold up. McDonald's hash brown, that type of flavor, yet thicker than a McDonald's hash brown and smaller than a McDonald's hash brown. Same amount of grease, but the flavor is hitting them. That flavor is right. I don't know, man. I feel like I got a little bit of onion breath on that one. A little onion kicked up with my potato. No, you can taste it, man. Check that joint. I think they done cooked it up with a little bit of onion. You want to try to tell nobody, chopped it up real fine, diced them up. Oh, they diced it. Get one of them joints. Get one of them joints, Noah. Get in there, yeah. All right, Sean, what you think?
Having just had hash browns this morning from McDonald's.
You did?
Way better. Way better. There's something going on. There's something going on with this.
Yeah. They had a little extra oomph, but you can still taste it. But they gave it a little extra oomph.
Yeah, they're like for sure better breakfast potatoes.
I'm telling y'all, man, team get fatter, man. I wanted to get some legs, just so I can hit y'all with the crunch. I done had plenty of Bojangles chicken before. Y'all know that from old videos. I just want to beat you in the head with the crunch on that. Oh, spice. I forgot how a little bit of spice you get in the back of your throat off some Bojangles chicken. Crunchy, tender. It's good. Oh, goodness. Crazy rices, bananas, it's getting 5. Mashed potatoes, I give them a 4. Bojangles chicken, it definitely gets a 4 out of me. And then listen, I also got their new, what was it, Southern? What was the new, the Mountain Dew was Southern. I'm done, the ice. That new right there, y'all see it? The Mountain Dew Southern Shock. Come on, come with it. Come with it. Come with it. Yeah. Tastes like, remember you used to go like a Pathmark Super Drug and get like a 3-liter fruit punch, but it was like a 3-liter fruit punch soda. That's what it tastes like. Nothing great. Doesn't even taste like it's in the Mountain Dew family. It just kind of tastes like that Naki that you got for like 99 cents, but it was mad big 3-liter.
I think they made them because people were always complaining like, yo, you can't stay up after Bojangles, so like let's get some Mountain Dew in this piece.
Okay, Noah.
Listen, let's get these people awake so they're not falling asleep on their way to Savannah.
Noah just gave y'all fire. So just cause Bojangles will give you the itis, try their new Mountain Dew Southern Love. Old school 99-cent 3-liter soda joint, and it will keep you up. And that's how you're gonna get through with Bojangles. She made me a Dame Drops, of course, you know what I'm saying? My boys, Noah Boogie, and of course, Sean Boogie up over there, you know what I'm saying? Mr. Insta Connolly of 30-second food reviews. And yo, we out. Until our next food, Fat Squad venture. Fat Squad! Fat Squad! And I say, what's going on, my sexy pieces? This may be a Dame Drops back here with another super fish or whatever. You don't drive, you know what time it is. And we're about to pull up on a revisit to when I did the video eating at the worst reviewed gourmet burger spot in my state. When I did the review, the burger was hit. Maybe it was a one-off, maybe it was a fluke. I want to go back to Red Robin, put in another order for something else, and find out why these reviews were so bad. Matter of fact, let's even read the reviews. Alright guys, so basically Red Robin is rocking a heavy 3-piece, and we're gonna read 3 reviews like we always used to do. So this one says, with so many burger establishment options, I always manage to find a Red Robin. I get the same burger each time, the blue ribbon burger made with a garden patty. Even when I ate meat, I always had this made with the garden patty. The Milford location opened and closed twice. Sketchy! But I found myself in Hartford today, so I decided to visit the West Hartford location. I'm here at the West Hartford location, right now. I called in my order and asked which meatless options they had available. The lady who answered said a veggie burger and the new popular Impossible Patty. I went with the Impossible Patty. Well, it came with a $3.50 upcharge. Why are meatless options so expensive? Taste-wise, it was good, but going forward, I'll go back to the garden patty, or I'll buy the burgers and recreate it myself. Next review. Red Robin is a true definition of okay for me. It's acceptable. It's okay. This particular location is standard to all the other ones that I visited. For me, Red Robin is good when there's one next door to your hotel, or when there aren't many other choices nearby, or when there are long waits everywhere else. In other words, it's a good backup plan, not really my go-to place. Whew. Alright, fam, we're gonna get into one more and we're gonna go inside and put our order in. First time at Red Robin, came in a big group. Service was great. Our server was so nice and patient. I got a real Red Robin burger, I think that's what it's called. It got an egg in it, which I love. Also, fries were unlimited, which was crazy. The fries were okay, not great, but I ended up eating a lot of it anyways. Shut up. Everything was pretty cheap. I come back. Alright guys, I'm really kind of between should